Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Fukuoka Airport is the fourth busiest airport in Japan. Reached in just 5 minutes by subway from Hakata Station, it is also one of the most centrally located airports in the country. The airport has 2 terminals, a domestic and an international terminal. The domestic terminal serves flights on virtually every major Japanese carrier and budget airline with connections out to all corners of Japan. There are numerous shops and restaurants located within the terminal. Meanwhile, Fukuoka Airport's international terminal is located in a separate building across the runway and is connected to the domestic terminal by a free shuttle bus. Regular flights to Korea, China, Taiwan, Singapore, and several other countries depart from here. Getting there and around, Fukuoka Airport is accessible in just a few minutes from downtown Fukuoka by subway and bus. Highway buses depart from both terminals to popular destinations such as Kumamoto, Nagasaki, and Beppu. Domestic Terminal. Fukuoka Airport's domestic terminal is just 2 subway stops from Hakata Station, 5 minutes, 260 yen one way, and 5 stations from Tenjin Station, 12 minutes, 260 yen one way. International Terminal. The international terminal at Fukuoka Airport lies across the runway from the domestic terminal and is not directly accessible by subway. Instead, Nishi Tetsu Bus operates frequent local buses between the airport and Hakata Station, 15 minutes, 310 yen. Alternatively, take the free shuttle bus from the international to the domestic terminal and catch the subway into central Fukuoka, see above. A taxi ride from the international terminal to Hakata Station takes about 10 to 15 minutes and costs approximately 1,500 yen. Please like, share, and subscribe. Known for its friendly locals, incredible food, and unique attractions, Fukuoka offers a perfect blend of urban excitement and laid-back charm. As the gateway to Kyushu, Fukuoka Airport FUK is a major hub for travelers exploring southern Japan. This guide will prepare you for everything you need to know when landing at Fukuoka Airport. Fukuoka and Kyushu have their own distinct character compared to the bustling cities of the Kanto or Kansai regions. As you plan your trip, you might be wondering, how can I get around Fukuoka and Kyushu without speaking Japanese? What are the must-visit attractions near Fukuoka Airport? How can I make my short time in Fukuoka memorable? How do I stay connected while traveling in Japan? Don't worry, we've got all these answers and more to help you have a smooth, stress-free experience starting right from Fukuoka Airport. Please do watch our other Fukuoka Japan playlist. Fukuoka Airport Wi-Fi. One of the first things you'll want to do when you land is contact your friends and family to let them know you arrived safely. Luckily, Fukuoka Airport offers free Wi-Fi access. How to connect to Fukuoka Airport free Wi-Fi. On your device, connect to one of the networks below. ESSID, Airport Tree Wi-Fi 2 for G. ESSID, Airport Tree Wi-Fi 5, 0G. Open your internet browser. The Wi-Fi connection screen will be displayed. You will be asked to agree to the terms of service. Once you agree, click on the link to connect to the internet. Portable Wi-Fi, compatible SIM cards. Various companies offer portable Wi-Fi and SIM card services inside Fukuoka Airport. Savvy travelers will rent either of the two before leaving the airport because staying connected is essential for any visitor to Japan. Need assistance? Information counters are staffed with helpful personnel ready to answer your questions about transportation, directions, and local attractions. Please do watch our other airport series. Fukuoka, formerly known as Itazuke Air Base, is an international airport located 1.6 nautical miles, 3.0 kilometers, 1.8 miles east of Hakata Station in Hakataku, Fukuoka, Japan. The facility has two runways and covers 355 hectares, 877 acres of land. Fukuoka Airport is the principal airport on the island of Kyushu and is the fourth busiest passenger airport in Japan, serving 25 million passengers in 2018. The airport is surrounded by residential areas and subject to a late-night curfew from 22 o'clock every night to 7 o'clock the following morning at the request of local residents. The domestic terminal boasts extensive facilities, but the international terminal is located on the other side of the runway. The domestic terminal is connected to the city by the Fukuoka City Subway, and a subway from the airport to the business district takes about 10 minutes. The international terminal is only accessible by road, although there is scheduled inter-terminal airport bus to the domestic terminal and the subway station, and scheduled bus service to Hakata Station and the Tenjin area. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. As for access to the Fukuoka area, there are airports such as Saga Airport and Kitakyushu Airport built on an artificial island and therefore open 24 hours a day as alternatives to Fukuoka Airport, which is chronically congested. Fukuoka Airport aggressively built a second runway and expanding to terminals in an effort to ease congestion. The second runway officially opened on March 20th, 2025. Fukuoka Airport is ranked 26th in Skytrax's world's top 100 airports for 2024 and the second in the world's best regional airports. Thank you for watching.